Let us do some of the uses of air in our day-to-day life. Now we have been familiar with the concept of windmill. Actually, windmill functions with the help of air, where the air is deciding the direction of movement of windmill. So windmill is used to drain out, or you can say to draw the water from the wells to generate even electricity also. So this is how the windmills are done. Also you can see for the movement of gliders, the yachts, the parachutes, aeroplanes, we require air. Not to forget, the movement of birds, bats, even insects require the presence of air. If air will not be present, they will not be able to move. We are very much familiar with the pollination of flowers. For the pollination, or you can say for the dispersal of seeds from the flower, we require air, and it plays a very important role, right? Also we are familiar with the water cycle. For water cycle, that is for the evaporation of water from the water bodies, you require air. Now the evaporation of water from the sea water is done. It forms the clouds, and the clouds, when fall down as rain, they give out the water back to river. Now this whole complete cycle is known as the water cycle, where the water is first liquid state is converted into vapor state. The vapor state forms the clouds on reaching a certain height. The clouds fall down in the form of rain, snow, or even hailstorms, and when they fall down in the form of rain, they are actually giving back the water into the rivers, and rivers form the other water bodies. So the cycle continues. Hence this cycle is known as water cycle, and we have found that air plays a very important role in this water cycle.